Let's get started on our next spinach dish, which is my mom's favorite. It's a steak and spinach salad. So, right here, let's move some stuff out of the way so you can see. I have about 5 slices of bacon. So, they're all like kind of different pieces here. Kind of fell apart, but it's about the equivalent of 5 slices of bacon. So, I'm just gonna cut it up into pieces here. Awesome. Okay. So, into the pan. Now, could you heat this pan up ahead of time? You could. Yes. But this time I'm just gonna put it in the pan and just bring it over just because it's easier. Okay? So, here we go. Alright guys, so our bacon's all done. It's nice and crispy. I'm going to take it out of the pan because it keeps popping on me. And I'm going to put it on a paper towel lined plate here. Okay, so all the grease that's in here, we do want some of it, but we don't need all of it. There's a lot. So I'm just going to drain off some of it. And this is a tempered glass container. I'm just going to pour it in. We're just going to take this off the heat for a second. And in the meantime, let's go get our steak ready. Okay, I have some chuck steak here. And as you can see, I already seasoned it with a little salt and pepper. I did about a half a teaspoon of each. So now I'm going to add some smoked paprika. I'm just going to sprinkle it on top. And I'd say that's another half a teaspoon or so. I'm going to do the same amount of garlic powder. Right on top. Okay. And I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side because we never want one-sided flavored food. Perfect. Back over to the stove. We're going to give this a nice sear. So I'm just going to put it on here. Try and get all the seasonings off the plate. There we go. Okay. Now, down it goes. There we go. This steak is slightly big for the pan, but it's alright. Alright, all done. I just kind of lifted it up to see if it was done. Look at that. Look at that goldenness. So we're going to flip the whole thing over with my tongs. Wow. Doesn't that look awesome? Yum! So now I'm just going to take it and put it on my pan over here. Now if you wanted it well done, then at this point you can put it in the oven and then just cook it till it's well done. Alright, we're just going to let this rest for a little while. And in the meantime, let's get our onion together. Alright, put it cut side down. And then you can either slice it this way or you can do it this way. It doesn't matter. I like this way, so I'm just going to do it the way I usually do. So make sure you keep your fingers away from the knife. And just cut down. And actually, I'm actually making these too thick. You want them to be thin slices for the purpose of this salad. Okay, so cut them as thin as you can. All right. Onions are all sliced, so we're going to go head over to the stove. Okay. Put my pan back on the heat. Set this here for a second. Okay. I'm just going to add a little bit more of that bacon grease to it. About half a tablespoon. Because we're actually going to add some more later to make our vinaigrette. Wait till you see that. That's yummy. Alright, so in goes our onion. And actually, I'm going to turn the heat down to about medium heat. Okay. There. Alright. And I'm just going to mix it up. Alright, our onions are done. Look at that. They look so pretty. And you can see it cooked way down and long. There was like a pile of onions we started with. And it cooked way down. So, that's perfect. About halfway through the cooking, I added a little bit of salt. Just about a half a teaspoon. And that was just to release the onions juices a little bit more and help it cook down some more. And then next up is cook cooking mushrooms. Okay. Pour it right in. Just get these onions off my paddle. Okay, so we just want to cook these mushrooms until they're brown and seared. Okay, guys, our mushrooms are all done. So I'm going to take a look. They're brown. Remember, they started off with white sliced mushrooms. They're totally brown now, and some of them are a little bit caramelized, so that's perfect. I'm just going to dump them into my bowl. Okay, so now our reserved bacon fat. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons. All right, so to my bacon fat, I'm going to add about half a cup of red wine. Make sure you stand back because it's going to sizzle up a lot. All right, so that's good. I just scraped up all the bottom, all the bits on the bottom of the pan. Okay. Now to this, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar. There we go. Nice. Okay. So now we're going to add some Dijon mustard. Okay. I'm just guessing about a tablespoon. I'm going to turn it down a little bit now. Smells good. All right. I'm going to add a little bit of honey. This is some organic honey I have here. I just want to add about a teaspoon of it. Okay, because of all that vinegar, we need something to counteract it. So I'm just going to do a little pepper. Taste. And a little bit of salt. I think I can turn this off now. Yeah. So like all we're looking for is just some bubblage in the center. See all those bubbles? And it'll thicken up. See how nice and thick it is? How can you tell it's thick? Because when I run my whisk through it, it doesn't fill in. The lines don't fill in. See that? It kind of stands on its own. That's what you're looking for. Smidgen salt. Alright guys, it's time to cut our steak. Now it's been resting and it's cool to the touch, so I can touch it now. I just cut on a bit of a diagonal. Alright, done. Perfect. Okay, next step. Let's pull this salad together now that everything has been cooked and assembled. So I'm going to just go over here and grab my dressing. And I also need a spatula and some tongs. We're going to put our sauce over our fresh spinach. This is an 8-ounce bag of fresh baby spinach that's already washed. So we're going to move our dressing right over the spinach and give it a toss with our tongs just until everything's coated. And yes, you do want to add it when it's hot. It's actually going to wilt the spinach a little bit, which is exactly what you want. Wilted spinach salad is the best. So I'm just going to put some in my bowl here. Okay. Lovely. All right, so now we're just going to assemble it. Okay. So I have my bacon that we cooked earlier. Just going to put a little bit of that on top. Okay. Some onions. Let me grab a fork. Put little onions on top. Okay. Some mushrooms. If you like mushrooms, you don't have to add them. And then I have a hard-boiled, 3 hard-boiled eggs here that I just sliced up. So just put about half an egg's worth on it. Okay. And then your steak. Okay? So, plop, right on top. And that's it. That's my mama's favorite steak and spinach salad. So let's give it a taste. Oh, so good. Yum, yum, yum.